Good morning, children. Let us begin with a beautiful quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Children, let us move to the last lesson of this year, that is, lesson 26, as we go from the third to the fourth standard. Caring for the environment. Our environment does not belong to us alone. It belongs to others too. It takes care of all our needs. That is why taking care of the environment is our duty. Children, हमारे साथ साथ मीन्स ह्यूमंस के साथ साथ बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स ये भी एनवायरनमेंट के पार्ट है, राइट? वी गेट ऑल द थिंग्स वी नीड फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट, राइट? हमारी ज़रूरतें पूरी करने के लिए जो भी चीज़ें हमको लगती है वो हमको कहाँ से मिलती है? फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट. और इसलिए हमें सब चीज़ों की केयर करना चाहिए, वेदर इट इज़ अ फूड और वाटर, whether it is our clothes or books, whether it is fuel, right? The raw material is obtained from the environment. We must take care of ourselves, our home and our school to begin with. और इसकी शुरुआत हमें खुद से, अपने घर से और अपने स्कूल से करना चाहिए. Then all our surroundings will become beautiful. We must use the things we receive from the environment carefully. That is why we must never waste food or water. Children, you must have seen birds building their nest, right? They work very hard for their little ones. Same way, members of your family also work hard for you. You should be affectionate towards them. You should learn to respect elderly persons. We must contribute to the work that our parents and other members of our family have to do. We must treat all women with respect, whether they belong to our family or not. Components of the environment. Plants and animals are all components of the environment. We are also a part of the environment. Everybody should be able to live a happy and contented life. Everyone must feel safe and secure. What we do and how we behave affects our environment. That is why we must take care of our environment. Then, let us see how to behave with one another. All the leaves of one tree are not identical. Some of them are big while some are small. Some have slightly different colors. All flowers are not exactly similar, right? It is the same with people. Our appearance is different from that of all others. In fact, our fingerprints do not match those of anyone else in the world. There is something unique about each person. We should not consider anyone inferior to ourselves. जिस तरह एक पेड़ के पत्ते सारे एक जैसे नहीं होते, अलग अलग होते हैं, सेम वे दो as a human beings we are same but we have different identity. We look different from others and everyone has their own talent. Right, children? Let us move to the last topic of the lesson, that is independence. We celebrate our Independence Day on the 15th of August every year. India got independence on 15th of August in the year 1947. We must be proud of the fact that our country is independent. We have freedom of thought in our country. We have a right to choose what to study when we grow up. We can choose our occupation. हमें कौन सा काम करना है वो हम चुन सकते हैं. All the citizens of our country have equal rights. However, independence does not mean that we can behave as we wish. Look at nature. Everything in nature follow rules. Ants walk in a queue. Bees are constantly working. It means we must follow rules to have a harmonious life. We must be good citizens of independent India. For this, we must have honesty, punctuality, perseverance, and discipline. Good habits that are cultivated in childhood are of great use when we grow up. Children, we have completed the lesson here and the syllabus too. You must take care of our environment. You must read the lesson carefully. Happy learning, children.